Fantastic. So how many of them my old student? Just raise your hands and good. How many of them my old student? Yep, me. Good, Ramu. Very good. I can see you. Welcome again on Sunday workshop. Fantastic. Yeah, Rohit, Ravi. Thank you for joining, people. Thank you for joining. Wonderful. Anybody joined for the first time new to Naresh IT? Yep. So are you ready for exciting sessions? Again, it will take 2.5 years 2 hours, 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Okay, great. Yep. Very good. Appreciated. So stay calm. We'll work today again. Okay, guys. Wonderful. Am I louder? Guys? So still people are joining. Okay. Good. Okay, good morning, Lina ma'am. Arif is joined? No? Okay, wonderful. Good to see you guys back on Sunday. Okay, let me share the screen. Let me check does live is going on or not. Let me check live is going on or not. Yes, it's already going on. That's great. Okay, so let me check my live link as well. And then we will continue. Okay, team. I'll see if any students query. Okay, let me share the screen and we'll start now. Okay, so please confirm me everyone is see my screen. And the name of the workshop which I schedule for today is going to be Advanced Agentic AI System with NotebookLM integrations with MCP and Claude. So it's one of the hot cake. Notebook is very powerful. NotebookLM is very powerful. And also MCP Model Context Protocol. It is one of the advanced agentic systems on integrations of LLMs to agents. And then Claude Code, as you know, it's one of the top number one because where most of the coding assistant has done by Claude. So Claude has launched Claude Cowork, Claude Code, Claude Chart. And today I'll introduce Claude Design as they launched last week. So what design works, it's going to be one of the amazing workshops. We'll do a lot of integrations. We get some bugs, we fix it. And this is all the thing is all about. Okay. So let's start. And so this is the workshop title, Advanced Agentic AI System with Notebook LM, integrations with MCP, Model Context Protocol, and Claude Desktop. So here, so my name is Prakash Senapathi. So I hope if you already knew me, that's fine. And if you don't know, so I will share the LinkedIn. You can connect with me over here, guys. Let's share to everyone. Okay, let's start now. Okay, so let's start today's session and we don't need to take much time. Let me tell you the agenda, what I bought it for you for today class. The first thing is I will introduce Notebook LM introductions and we'll work, everyone is work together. Even though you joined for the first time, I need your time to learn a lot of good topics today and a lot of advanced topic today as well. Okay, good morning, Ashok. So guys, also I just wanted to tell you, okay, so today agenda, the first topic, I'll introduce what is notebook, LM, and we will work together. I will give a live demo. And also I will talk about Claude Desktop and how Notebook LM will integrate with MCP, Model Context Protocol. That is one project. And also as the notebook LM has created by Gemini 2.5 Flash, so I want to integrate with Cline VS Code and LLMs along with MCP. So all these things we're going to do it now. So this is advanced agentic, and I start a new batch program on full stack data science with advanced AI, Gen AI, agentic AI, and all are advanced topic because every day the new AI tools has launched in the market. So as we developer, as we've been in the industry more than 18 years, so yes, you can blindly depend on us rather than those YouTube AI tools. No. So we'll build in depth all of them. So this is, you can refer your friends, or if you've never been into this program before, so you happily joined it, I will inform the admins team to reach out to you if you have any questions. It is not just I'll speak, you can listen. We'll work together. So then these things would be much better. Pretty clear, guys? And today we're going to build a two project. The first one is Notebook LM MCP integrations with Claude Desktop. And another project, Notebook LM MCP integrations with Cline, Agentic AI IDs, and Gemini LLMs. All those things we're going to work together. Pretty clear? Shall we start? Okay. So whoever joined for the first time, so there's a two announcement. First announcements, today we'll continue the workshop. Second, I'm starting a new batch on FSDS, full stack data science with advanced Gen AI, advanced agentic AI. I will share all these. You can scan the QR code. You can scan the QR code if anybody joined for the first time. And if someone wants to attend the workshop, so you can scan this QR code. That would be fine. Pretty clear, guys. Okay, let's continue. So we'll talk about all those things. Yes. So also who joined for the first time, please reach out to Miss Lena ma'am so she can guide you for any further questions. Please take down the number which I posted you in the chat. Okay, guys, let's continue today's sessions and we heading towards the today's class. And listen to me very carefully. I will talk slowly so that what is Notebook LM, how it is different than LLM. We'll discuss everything one by one. Okay, let's continue. What is Notebook LM? So Notebook, it is an AI powered, you can call AI tools kind of stuff, note taking tool by Google. Who created this Notebook LM? So the first thing, Notebook LM is created by Google. Understood? And the second, it was launched on 2023. So at that time, it was not that popular, but now when exactly if the entire world try to use this notebook, so it would be very popular now. So it was built on Gemini AI models because what was Gemini AI? I already had done a lot of workshop before. If you haven't attended, I will share the link. You can attend and watch them all. It is smart AI assistant for your documents. So who can use this, and what is Notebook LM does whenever you upload any documents? Okay, whenever you upload any documents, it read, it understand, it answer questions. It exactly act like RAG. So what happened? Retrieve argument generations. A developer uploads some documents and it fetch the relevant content from the document. Everything has to be done by the code. We already had a lot of workshops regarding this. And it's exactly work like RAG, guys. Understood? RAG has two types, simple RAG and multi-RAG. So simple RAG, multi-RAG coding has little complex. So to solve this, Notebook LM solve those problems. Team, are you understood, everyone? Team, are you understood what I'm saying? Okay, great. So the next one, so to understand this Notebook LM does not require any technical skills, doesn't require any technical skills. And it is an AI tools where it read, understand documents and answer the questions which asked by the user. Okay, next one. Let's go back to this one. There's a few slides. Let me finish them and then we'll work together. Got my point. Second one, what Notebook LM does, it understands PDFs, documents, notes, answer questions instantly, creates summaries in seconds. Assume you have in organizations whenever meeting is happening with the client. So the meeting has happened more than 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. So after the meeting, we send a MOM, minutes of meeting, to the client that both client and my understanding both are in same, isn't it, guys? So that is the reason. So this Notebook LM does its summaries in seconds, and it simplifies complex informations. If you have some complex topic where you can't understand, so these things would definitely summarize and make you understand in easy way, guys. So all those things we do practical. So that is what Notebook LM does. Okay, so I mention all the points where a layman can also understand. Let's talk about this. What is core idea? How do we work? We upload our own document due to Zoom issues. Rejoined. Admin, can you share the links again here? Which links I? Okay. So core idea, what we do, you can upload your own documents. AI understand your data. No dependencies on internet knowledge. I will tell you Gemini links. I will share all of them. I will share all of them. No problem. Copilot can also perform these tasks, right? What difference does Notebook LM makes here? Krishna, in the market, there are a lot of vehicles are available. Understood? So if any new vehicles launch, what is the difference? Krishna, you understand, man? It is not about what is difference. It is about new tools are coming up and it has very powerful. So that is why, and those tools is integrations with MCP. Got my point, Krishna? So, okay. So Copilot is more on coding platforms, and Notebook LM, it can work everything. Very hard to generate music, video, mind map in Copilot. So Notebook LM is quite advanced than this. Understood, Krishna Priya? Next one. Sai, I will share all the previous class WhatsApp. Just focus the class. I will share everything. No need to worry. Okay. How well does Notebook handle structured data like SQL table, CS file compared? Aslam, first listen, then I will talk to you. Okay. So when you have CSV file, SQL tables, everything it will do. That's what we do the practical. So let me introduce this Notebook LM. Then we will see the practical. You automatically understood, guys. All right, Aslam Patel. Okay, great. I think I can see your chart. Okay. So now let's continue. What is the search engine used by Notebook? It is Google only. So it has own search engine, guys. Okay, Krish, let's do that. Please try to. So AI understand your data, fully source, it solve multi-rag problem. What is simple rag, multi-rag, guys? Simple rag means, so let me write, you text to text retriever is called simple rag. And what is multi-rag? From the PDF, it retrieve image, video, audio. Okay, that is called multi-rag. So this Notebook LM solve multi-rag problems, guys. It helps students to learn more subject knowledge in less time. Do you remember in BTech, if you remember, entire 1 year subject you studied in only one night? Do you remember, isn't it, guys? So entire 1 year subject, I mean, you studies in last 5 days, 10 days. So how come you make a bullet points and you study like that, isn't it? Exactly same way. I mean, it helps students a more to subject knowledge in less time to get a good score, to get a free rank, distinctions, and all things, guys. So that is the core idea. And next one, key features. The key features of, we'll see practical, source grounded question and answers, audio overview, it give podcast style summaries. I mean, auto generated study guide, it generate audio, it generate a video, That is what we're going to do right now. Let me finish few of the slides. It supports PDFs, docs, YouTubes. You can read the content from YouTube. You can read the content from docs. You can read the content from PDF. You can read the content from URLs. So first key difference, why notebook in LLM like ChatGPT, Claude. So if user write any question, if user write any question, it fetch the data from internet. Am I correct, guys? It fetch the data from internet. Whereas notebook LM, okay, it won't fetch the data from internet. It just fetched from the doc which user updated, the doc which user updated. Everyone guys clear what is difference between LLM and all those things? Answer me yes or no. This is the first point. Okay, what notebook LM problem solve? So the next one, okay, every LLM has memory. Every LLM has memory, guys. LLM has memory. So memories are two type. One is long short term memory. Okay, short term memory, short term memory, and another one is memory, and another one is long term memory. So, but in notebook LM, it has no memory. Guys, are you clear? Are you clear? This is another pointers. Team, are you understood everyone? Sir, what does the fetch? Fetch means pull the data. Fetch means pull the data. Gaurav, got it now? Okay, so how many pointers? What is notebook LM solve the problem? So notebook LM solve and handwritten, is it processed by, yes, it will process as we. Notebook LM solved below issues. Okay, so it solved multi-rag, it solved notebook LM has no memory, it won't fetch the data from internet. The good part is LLM model can hallucinate. What is hallucinate? Hallucinate means confusing. Okay, confusing. If I tell you a bank, which bank you will consider? Money in the bank or mobile power bank? You got my point. Exactly. LLM model can hallucinate, but notebook LM cannot hallucinate. Are you guys understood now? Are you guys understood now? So these are the main important pointers. Yes, SV, yes, it can process by LM. So team, are you make the notes, everything? Okay. So no problem. I'll share all the documents, how is performance one compared to Chat GPT. Krish, LLM is different, notebook is LM difference. Understood? So notebook LM is an AI tools which created by Gemini. Understood? That is an LLM. That is what you wanted. First listen, man, then we'll talk. Understood, Chris? I think you haven't used Chat GPT Claude. What question you're asking? Guys, clear? Okay, key features. Now just quick, just sum up few things. Who use it? Who can use this one? Students, learners for pass the exam, for clear a document notes, for mind maps, diagrams, podcast, interview preparations, research, academicians, journalists, professionals from legal, finance, consulting. Okay, anyone can use for personal use. So they can use the notebook LM. Got my point? Second one is why it very popular. So will it? Yes, it will do. That's what we're gonna do practical. Everyone, give me 5 minutes. We'll talk about this. Okay. Why it very popular? Why it is very popular? Because it has a viral podcast features, human-like AI conversations, massive social media attractions, wonderful mind map or knowledge graph. It create a knowledge graph. Okay, so this is what popular. So this is what notebook LM do. I will give a 5 to 10 minutes of these overview and then we'll do the practical. Okay, so the next one, trust and productivity. It doesn't hallucinate much because we not fetch the data from internet, so it not hallucinate much. Always cite source documents, always depends on source documents. Whenever the documents updated from that documents only, it will pull out the proper informations. act as study companion and saves hours of reading time. Understood, guys? So it saves hours of reading time. Understood, guys? So the next one, why it matters today, why try to everybody try to use this. It's a free, accessible, everyone. It's clear purpose. It fits AI for trend, solves real problem. It less time. It will less time, improve productivity, easy for non-technical student, centralized knowledge access, everything you can find out here, guys. Got my point? And here, so last slide before I go back to the practical use cases, training materials, meeting notes. It will give meeting notes, it make reports, documentations, everything it is done, guys. Okay. I'll give simple example before I go back to the explore the practical. Imagine a client shared documents. Every projects without some notes, documents, the project is incomplete. So assume the client share a notes to you, assume the client shared documents for any project. So what do you do, guys? You just read the materials which provided by client and try to make some comments and you prepare a notes. So normally what do? You search the documents, you read, you understand, and you summarize, and you have a meeting call with your client, isn't it? That's what early days we do is. So what notebook does here, the notebook ask a questions, it give answers directly from your documents. And so what are the key points from last week meeting, summarize the report in 5 bullet points. So it is benefit of notebook LM, guys, normally. So let's do the practical, then we will try to understand this, guys. Are you clear? Just give me, confirm me, understood what is notebook LM does in just short form, what can problem solve, please confirm me, then we'll go to the practicals. Clear? Everyone understood? Everyone understood? Great. Okay. So it saves our time on daily basis, on every day. So I think for Geo users, Notebook LM is absolutely free. If you're using Geo SIM card, maybe you can log into Play Store, go to Google LM, Notebook LM. You can connect to Gemini model and you can use that absolutely free. Okay. So let's try it now and minimize it. I want everyone, let's do the demo now. We'll do practical. So what is the time? Exactly 10:40. Similar like Speci, it's more powerful than Speci, Ravi. It is more powerful than Speci. All right. So we'll try now Notebook LM live demo. Listen to me and follow with me. We'll study together. Okay. So what if my data is sensitive? If your data is sensitive, why you update, man? Don't update now. You got my point. Anonymous attempt. Don't want to give to public too. Don't use this. Keep it in your home. I have 3 peer exclusive web. Should I, Jenna, any suggestion from you? Man, if you are Kiran, you have to learn there is no options, or else nobody will give you job. Understood? Okay. So shall we do the practical now? Everyone go to everyone go to Google. Okay. Everyone go to Google and here please write Notebook LM. If you see the Notebook LM, are you working? Anybody is working with me? Okay, please work everyone. So what we do, just go to, yep. Just go to Google, Notebook LM. So when you write Notebook LM, see this Notebook LM is a research. Okay. So Notebook LM is a research and note-taking online tool developed by Google Labs. Who developed this, guys? Notebook LM is developed by Google Labs. It uses AI, Google Gemini LLMs. It is used behind the scene. It assists users interacting with the documents. Notebook LM is known for its audio overview, which generate podcast, all those things. Do you see these informations? It was released on July 12, 2023. And I want everyone to click this one. And after you click this, have you seen it now, guys? Okay. So see this, understand anything, your research, thinking, partner, grounded, your trust, everything in Gemini AI model, AI powered research partner, upload, everything, guys. So here, try NotebookLM. When you try NotebookLM, it is login to your, can you log to your Gmail? Can you log to your Gmail? So this is your home screen looks like. Have you seen this, everyone? Please log into that. Okay. Different both courses and whiches connect to, yes, you can. Please join the live classes tomorrow. Great, great. Yes, have you seen like this, guys, everyone? So featured notebook, this is these notebooks as given by your notebook LM itself. All right. So what you need to do, just again, okay. Are you able to see here, create new or not? So just go back and here, you try notebook LM, you can try this. Ajay, let me tell you, every learning is not required to relate to the project. Understood, Ajay? Understood, Sai? Experience, guys. Use your brain, your experience, and you are much mature than fresher. Whatever any introduce in the world, are you implementing your project? Why you ask these questions? Are you clear? So, guys, let me tell you, Java in the world, I see what I'm saying. Try to understand these LLMs AI used in everywhere, IPL matches, photo shoots, and freelancing. Okay, like audio transitions, video transitions, digital marketing. So, I wanted to tell you all. I thought why people are didn't ask. All experienced people, every working professionals, even though leaders, asking only one questions. The first question is it secure? Is it secure? Or is it can I use my office? Let me tell you, you can't use anything in your office because you need your manager approval. You need your manager approval. Am I correct, guys? Or your CEO approval. CEO approval. And yes, every company use AI tools to speed up the work, to speed up the work, to speed up the work. Everybody asks, can I use my project? Use it. You decide nothing happened. The company has to tell you to use it. Got my point? You're learning for extra knowledge to how do some freelancing, extra incomes, passive incomes for all those things. Experience, guys, are you clear? So I thought why nobody asked these questions. Clear or not, Sai and Ajay? If you're confident, don't use, man. For your freelancing, you do some practicals, you got some documents there, you can use. Got my point? So let me tell you, everybody, I'm saying experience, guys. Every learning is not connected to your project only, and you cannot work in the company for lifetime. Got my point? So these learning would help you to speed up your work to more enhancing gain, wide spectrum of knowledge. Got my point, guys? Okay, next one. So after you load this, do you see featured notebook? If you see this now, one moment, I can try this here. You can see all the list of informations over here. And now create notebook. Can you please create a notebook now? Have you created a notebook, everyone? If you see the create a notebook, I'll go back again. So this is what, this view, this is called, these views, you can see the view, and this is called your tile, and this is all the views we have, and this is called list view. Whatever view wanted to make, you can do this, guys. So here all and my notebooks. So here, when you click all, do you see crew new? So create a new. I want to create a new. What is the name of the, so first you decide which file you want to grid view. Yeah. You decide, so I wanted to create YouTube videos from NotebookLM. First listen, man, then you will create SV. Okay. So got my point? Let's do this. So first you create your audio video overview from your notes. So first I wanted to upload uh, any content. For example, as Claude is very popular, so let's use Entropic Claude. So I'll go back to the home Entropic. See the notebook now. In this notebook, this is your home screen you got like that. Am I correct or not? Everyone got like this home screen where you can upload your file, any PDF, you can upload your YouTube, you can upload Drive, you can copy text, anything you can upload. For the time being, I wanted to upload the completely entropic informations, or I will upload LangChain, or maybe, yeah, I'll upload LangChain. So let's see LangChain file. So this is my LangChain, right? And I go to the documents. If I go to the documents, I'll open, I will share one, any documents you can upload, guys. Let's LangChain. Now I'll copy this URL and go to Notepad. And here, so search the, I can upload here, understood? And then enter. So when you enter, do you see select all sources? And you can keep your notebook name also. Let's do that. Okay, do you see it is come back to here or not? Team, answer me yes or no, guys. Done. And after you done this, guys, after you done, listen to this. Are you completed? Yes. Do you see right side audio overview? Click that. So when you click, if you see that generating audio overview, generating notebook LM slide deck, it is generating slide deck, video overview. Okay, so I want to create my, okay, like this video, auto select, just generate mind map. See, I wanted to see LangChain framework is very important for generative AI, all right, and LLMs, or any, even though Gen AI, Agentic AI, whatever model you build, these frameworks is very powerful. So I copy this document. Let me select it. I'll give it to you in the document here. So when you do this document, so go back to this one, and how many report, video overview, and slide deck, mind map, and then reports. Okay, create your own reports. A report, audio view, reports. Create your own reports. 1 second, reports and briefing doc. Okay, blog post, and then flashcard. I want to select every informations, whatever you find, infographics, data table. Please select it. So does LangChain is related to RAG? Yes, yes. LangChain is a framework which is C. So how many of them doing this now? How many of them doing? First, I upload one document. Have you done this, guys? Okay. गौरव पहले सुन ले, उसके बाद बात करेंगे, ठीक है? तू कार चला रहा है, उसका मतलब नहीं तो कार तैयार कर देगा. Got my point? So I mean to say, first you listen. Yes, you can, you need to create your own podcast. You have to write your own code for that. So now when you note that, when you see this over here, do you see the processes going on? Which process is completed? So what we upload right now, guys, what we upload right now, we upload a documents, right? We upload a documents. Great. So what is LangChain framework architecture and core agent functionalities? So if you see this, it is processing one by one based on your internet. So what I want you to do, Do you see this first architecture? Do you see it's creating or not, guys? Amazing. Tell me. It is creating LangChain overview. What you can do with LangChain core components. Wow, excellent. And agents. What is LangChain? Using LangChain, what you can do? You can do like agent, you can build agent, you can build models, you can message, you can interact with tools. LangChain has short-term memory, streaming, structured output. Amazing or not, guys? Do you see this now? And what next? The next one, you can check this as well. So frameworks, how many frameworks the LangChain has? So do you see deep agents, LangChain, LangGraph, core benefits, standard model interface, easily and flexible agent abstractions, built on LangGraph durability, deep visibility via LangSmith, model integrations. You can connect to any model. Trust me, if I tell you to make a note from this document, tell me how many days it will take. It will take more time and it's lazy work. But now look at this one. So it would be benefit for you or not? Even though if somebody asks you about LangChain, you can explain immediately, team. Isn't it wonderful? Team, are you clear? So advanced uses using LangChain, it control Guardians, context engineering, human in the loop, multi-agent system. So it is very best for working professionals like me and developers like me and also trainer like me, expertise also, leaderships, everything's guys. Now look at that here. Langsmith Studio, observability, tracing and debugging. Team, how many of them clear? Team, how many of them clear? I can download it. Let me download. And when I download, let's see how exactly the files are downloading. Now open that NotebookLM mind map. See, amazing guys. This is the mind map I downloaded. Team, crystal clear, crystal clear. Now your crack interviews, your topic concepts, everything would be much, much easier. Anybody got the mind map? Anybody got the mind map? Please answer me. Please answer me. I got it. How was it, guys? Excellent or not? Answer me. Now, today you learn that how your long context, long documents, whatever PDF you updated, can you make a short form of the notes? Understood now? Understood now, guys? Okay, great. So, Rohit Sharma, unmute you. What happened, man? Everyone got that output? Everyone got that output? Are you clear first thing? Are you clear first thing?
Got it, sir.
Tell me what happened, Rohit? Okay, this guy is leave that. Clear? Please use the chart window. I'll have to cover a lot of topic. Wonderful. First point clear, guys. Does it replace book reading habits or permanent? Yeah, exactly. So the way we study books, the way we things change, right? Even though what is the main purpose of read the book? It's stored in the memory, right? Yes, Vishnu. So if you have these things, the way the content, the topic, the main content is given to me, it would be very well. Can we generate infographics? Wait, one by one. Are we completed this, everyone? Just and then mind map has done. So where we go again? So LangChain after that. So this is what mind map, and after mind map. So when you scroll down, still it's architecture blueprint has created. Still it is loading, generating flashcard report. I think I need to be wait for some time, but it takes long time. SV, what's your name, man? Do you see how many documents it is processing based on your internet? You can pay, it will work faster. Okay, SV? You can pay, it will work faster. Got my point. I upload file. Just joined. Okay, then watch upload file and click a flashcard. Very good, very good. So I need to wait because if you need quick response, I think I wanted to upload the small files, guys. Another one. So after you let me wait for some time, I think it will be processing is going on. See, that is what I don't want to select everything. The good part is you can change your own language also. Hindi. Do you see the local languages, guys, or not? Team, have you see the local language? You can also connect it with your local language. Understood? I think flashcard. It take come back in few minutes because to audio kind podcast, it will take some time. So anybody's completed all of them? Anyone is completed all of them, guys? Anyone is complete all of them? After you complete, let's going on. No, let it be let good Ravi. Maybe you need to. I wanted to update the informative content. No, sir. Processing. Just wait. Can we wait? Or you hurry bari? Okay, see, right now there is a new batch I started 9 a.m. Okay, you can join. You can tell your friends reference to. We'll wait. Yes, yes, we'll wait. Yeah, because some of the people can't wait. Because when you wait, then things would be much clarity here. So you can add sources. When you add sources, you can keep once the process, then we can add sources, guys. You can drop your file here, websites. I can upload my YouTube video as well. So in same sources, let's do that. You can find any files. I'll take a short Kimi. I'll use this Kimi model, which I have been explained last month. So let's use that. And I'm going to, let's just 1 second, skip. Okay. So I copy this. All right, guys. So 1 second. And I hope it's done. Come on, man. It's taking some time. So share that link here, please, Kimi. Does it work with PDF? Yeah, yeah. Yes, OCR also work, Rahman. Like only. No. OCR, everything it will work. So I want you to just chat this one as well. Control V. Okay, so you can connect multiple resources like audio, video. You can add resources like, you know, okay, video content. So Kimi. So I can just website. You can here insert. I can add insert here. Do you see another resource added or not? Two resources added now. Just entropic video is added. And this part is also added. No, I think just go back. So you can add multiple resources, guys. So what is my notebook? In my notebook, I already added 1, 2, 3 LangChain framework. It's going on. Let's do that. Okay, it's completed now. Watch it. See this, guys. It is completed now. Have you completed, everyone? First, one by one. Model AI architecture. Let's open that. I think the video is playing now. Just 1 second. So I think, so this is what going on. Interactive. Do you see the audio is playing now, guys? Team, are you listening this now?
Okay, that sounds like an engineering nightmare.
Yes.
It totally is. But here's the
No, it's not the file. It's it you can find out in the studio. In studio, when you scan, do you see if in studio only you can find out, guys, here. So the modular AI architecture,
Yeah, in traditional software engineering.
interactive, it will create how there is a two people are talk like each other. You can listen this. Studio to audio overview.
Okay, that sounds like an engineering.
So NotebookLM convert the PDF or convert the document to a audio also.
You have to swap out that foundation without.
Are you clear, guys? Have you anyone got it now? Anyone got it? Please answer me. So it has convert to audio now. How many of them done? Yes, very good. Rohan, where are the files? Why you can't understand the small things, man? Suresh got it. Yes, Jagat Jot. You can see the studio. You can see the studio, guys. I got it. Yep, yep. Are you able to see everyone? So what have you noticed that today? What have you noticed that using Notebook LM, the first thing, a a document, a link, a URL has converted to mind map. So I don't want to read all URL and I waste all URL and I waste my time of more than 30 to 40 minutes or 1 hour. So it has done in 5 seconds. I created the complete topic and I got some blueprint of it. Are you guys understood? Also using Notebook LM, we understand from URL to audio or podcast among the two AI, okay, agent, two AI person, two AI guys can talk like podcast to AI version. Are you clear now? Everyone understood, guys? Everyone understood? Anybody completed? Anyone is completed? Minal, could you explain the UI options? Who is this guy? Suchitra, first listen, please. Understood? You click everything. Okay, great, great. Got it now? Team interesting. Second one, custom AI agentic AI framework overview. So this framework also it is creating custom agentic AI. Wonderful. I build entire website to this framework as well. I can share to anywhere else, guys. Do you say framework, system, everything, guys? What you can do using help of LangChain, entire URL can create your a nice representations. Save image as your save image, right click and desktop. So LangChain architecture, it given your complete architecture about these things. Team, are you clear? And next one, blueprint we got right now. Just now we got blueprint, isn't it? So the mind map, you go to the studio, and after the studio LangChain document, you can see the quick kind of answers as well in interview. If somebody attend for LangChain, what is the primary role of LangChain framework within the LLM ecosystem? Next one. So you got a quiz also, guys, which is very helpful for anybody to learn any content. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing? Please answer me. Guys, are you clear? Team, are you able to understand? It is very simple. I haven't do anything. I just upload my URL. And generate the notebook LM is generate all the LangChain quiz flashcard. LangChain code and quiz and flashcard. Do you see the flashcard also? What is the primary open source? You can see that approximately how many lines of codes are required to build custom agents in LangChain. Do you see these are the flashcard to create any exactly. So the now studio, go back to this flashcard. What next? LangChain framework components and features. Excellent, man. Do you know when I teach these things to my students, I take more documents notes, but if I give this documents to them, anyone can help and you become an individual. It's just like combined study interact. Very good, Ashok. Exactly. Team Ajay, good morning. You joined. Excellent. So you can try anything, guys. Isn't it amazing, guys? Okay, are you understood? So let's create the video is generating. So notebook can help us to learn deep data science concepts easily. Very good. Not only data science, using notebook LM, a student using notebook LM, a learner or a professionals understand thing very fast. Understood, guys, or not? Very, very fast to get jobs, to get your dream salaries and all those things, and it's very helpful for each and every sectors. It is very useful or not, that is why it is very powerful. It will make work smarter. That's what it is. Very, very powerful. Now I think the generate video is going on, and you can add notes. You can add everything. Okay, add notes not required. Go to the studio, and after the studio, add resources. Can you please add resources now? So you go back to, now I create Entropic now. Can you upload any YouTube video now, guys, here? Now you can upload any YouTube videos, and it is generate all these things like that, guys. Two resources now. Team, are you clear? I think the generating video is going on. Let me wait for some time. Let me wait for some time. Sources. I think I need to wait for some time because the video is generating. It may take some time. So no problem. Don't leave. Have some time because this is just an introductions we take in 30 to 40 minutes. So my questions, can you upload any documents here? If you go back to main home NotebookLM, if you open new notepad, okay, so it will make your work. Yes. So team, online team, can you, if you new students, can you please join this link, WhatsApp link, and I'm sharing my QR code. Just give me some time. Can you please scan the QR code for new batch enrollment? Please let me know once you're done. Please let me know once you're done for new batch enrollment. You get your PDF, you get your class notes, you get your course syllabus. Once you confirm, open your Google Lens and scan it. And if somebody doesn't know how to scan it, so I think I'll share my Lina ma'am already shared the registration link to you. You can join it. Pretty clear? Please done. I'm waiting for you. Once you're done, I'll go to the next step. I'll go to the next step. Team completed. So just how many of them done? Please let me know how many of them done. Great. This is we done. So next step. Okay. Yes. So do you see when you go back to the home page still? So I'm adding all this 1, 2, 3 notebooks. I'm going to add it, guys. So you can also drop your files. You can also connect to website and YouTube URLs. Do you see? It is saying you can post your YouTube URLs, guys. So I can upload my one YouTube URLs over here. Let's copy that and I will upload my YouTube URL. Okay. Now insert. So when I insert, so I can create this masterclass on Kimi. And again, I don't create audio. It take more time. Slide deck, mind map, and flashcard, and quiz, and data table. So I'm creating now. So my questions, we can, sir, may I get syllabus of the course? Yeah, Srinath. Screens. No. Are you able to see my screen now? Can you please scan this QR code? Can you please scan this QR code so that you get all the things, guys? Thank you. So we'll post it. So team, do you see I posted another one? So how many notebook L is running now? 2 notebook is running, isn't it? So I think I'm waiting for video overview. And then this is my, okay, this is, okay, give me flashcard created. Do you see mind map? Let me create a mind map. So let me infographics, quiz also done. And video will take more time. So just wait for some time once the video is done. So I wanted to, so my questions answer me. Can you tell me how to update the notebook LM to whatever your documents, YouTube videos, PDF, complete text? You can also post your text as well, guys. You can also post your text, guys. Then it will easily build for you. Understood now? So every learning is not only link up. See, this is Kimi Moonshot AI. I created. Look at that. This is what I explain in it now. Add sources and give URL prompt. Very straightforward. That's it. It is easy, guys. I'm telling you. So this is background. And if you go back here, this is your key models, and this is your technical architecture. This is your tools and integrations. This is your practical projects. This is your completions. All those things you get it here. Team understood now? Understood? So you can upload YouTube, you can create a video. Still, one video is going on. I'm just waiting for that. And after waiting for that, you can create audio, you can create blueprint, you can create frameworks, you can create interview kind of question and answers, and also you can create a LangChain flashcard, and you create your component frameworks, how many framework components it has, these things it is created. So you got some idea, got video, my sources, amazing video around 5 minutes. Oh, that's nice. How many of them got video? I think it take some time, just wait, because I'm using. Okay, in the meantime, let me going on add sources. Got video, my very good. So team, if you really like it, don't forget to like it and comment, because every day I want to bring, do you know, every day I'm also have to study. IT means every day we need to spend study. Video got it. I'm just waiting for my Ravi. Let's do it. Now, next thing, in the meantime, so today everyone understand how notebook LM works. I mean, from scratch, I mean, in depth, we understood now. In depth, we understood. Point number one. Point number one. Can we go to the next one? First point. First point. So if you really see now, okay. So first point, like and subscribe to Naresh IT channels for more new content. Like and comment to this video. Second one, can we go back to the second point now? Answer me, how many of them get ready? Can we upload lecture video? Yeah, you can, Sai, you can. Any learning site, you can try that, you can. That is why it's very powerful, man. Okay, also, if you are joined for the first time, if anybody wants to, so you can join the registration link also given. So can we move to the second one? Claude. So I want you to download how NotebookLM will integrations using Claude Code. Let's try Claude Desktop. What is Claude Desktop? So if you have zero knowledge about Claude, if you have zero knowledge about Claude, I will share one link. I will share one link. Please follow that, okay? So everyone go to Google. Let me check, does it finished? How much video generating, man? Okay, can you please go to Google and write Claude Desktop? Please write Claude Desktop. So when you Claude Desktop, see what we done right now. See, when you spend time, please listen. Very exciting thing. So far, how did we open? How did we open NotebookLM right now, guys? Directly, I went to the website. I went to the website and I opened. Am I correct, guys? My question, can we open NotebookLM from code, from any IDE, so that I can work my project, so that I can work my project? Got my point? Got my point, guys? So how do you open this NotebookLM? You went to the websites and you download. That's fine. But my questions, can you download, can you integrate this NotebookLM to any of the tool? So let's do that. That's called Claude Desktop. Go back to the Google Claude Desktop and download. May I know how many of them downloaded, guys? May I know how many of them downloaded Claude Desktop early? So please do that. Third one, go to Google, and download Claude Desktop. Claude Desktop download. So Codex, this is a download Claude. So when you click that, already downloaded. The one who downloaded, that's fine, downloaded Claude. And then you can do that download for Windows, download for Mac, whatever you have, you can download, guys. So you can download for Mac, download for Windows, and download for all the stuff. So you can download this applications for Windows. So after you download and install, so I have open code. Can I use instead of Claude Code? No, Sai. I think open code, it might not work, but you can try. Will you integrate MCP in open code? If yes, you can do that. If not, then you can't. Thank you, Ajay. So after that, so you can see like this type of Claude app. I wanted to open a Claude app now. I want to open a Claude app. So if you see the Claude app, just wait. It is opening now. Claude Desktop. What is difference between Claude browser and Claude Desktop? Claude Desktop means you can install in your local machine. Claude Desktop, you can install in your local machines, guys. Understand? So anyone is downloaded already? How many of them download? Download and install. After install, please open Claude Desktop. Are you guys clear? Yes, installed. Very good. After, please open Claude Desktop and you just test it. So here, I think I closed it. Let me open one more time. Close it. And do you see, this is not web browser. Claude has two concepts, Claude web browser, Claude desktop. So Claude has developed by Anthropic. It is one of the powerful platforms every company is using now in the workforce. So Claude has two concepts, Claude browser and Claude desktop. So when you say Claude browser, you can directly www.claude.com, you can work. So what is Claude browser? I think you can open the Claude browser here. So Claude, okay, Anthropic. So you can download directly and you can do that, guys. All right. So that's called web browser. So here, now Claude desktop, after you download, you can try this, guys. Hello, and how are you? Now, I'll ask to Claude desktop, like, so what is your Sunday plan? What is your Sunday plan? So please check. Do you know? Okay, it's saying, I wish I had Sunday plans as an AI. I don't experience time or have weekends. Every conversation is just me showing up ready to help, whether it's Monday morning or religious Sunday. So you got understood. I'm not getting any download directly to the install. Very simple, Sai. Come on. You just go back to the Google, guys. Once you go to the Google, you can write Claude desktop. Go to Google, and then maybe you do it later. Desktop download, Claude desktop download, you can get it. Try this code in Google and you try that. Okay, now minimize and just you can try this. Okay. Everyone installed Sunset Cloud, how to do setup for LLM using Olam. Sai Rao, I already previously, I take up all this workshops. I will share the link. You can watch it. Understood or not? Are we clear? Download in progress. Please download. Got it. So team, how many of them done? Does Claude Desk works offline? Yes, you can try that, Yusuf. Okay, talk. I'm asking, can you search from LinkedIn Kodi Prakash Senapathi? It is given me, it is finding out. Okay, have you opened this now? Have you opened this now? After open, can you ask, okay, first confirm me how many of them done? How many of them done? How many of them install Claude Desktop? Please answer me. How many of them has done this, guys? Great, great, great. Done, done, yes. So now after you write, ask, can you access to Notebook LM? Can you access to Notebook LM? Hit enter. What do you response? Do you see this is my Sonnet LLM model? So can you access to Notebook LM? Please answer. What do you got response, team? What do you got response, everybody? No access. I don't have. Very good, very good. Appreciate your answers. Appreciate your answers. No, no, no. Unfortunately, not available. Very good, Vishnu. Unfortunately, it is not available. Correct? Right. So that means Claude is not integrating to what we called from your this one. I cannot access product made by Google and I don't have an integrations. Very good, very good. No, no, no. That is why this is the Claude desktop. Okay. This is my MCP server. Okay. This is called MCP server, which is Claude desktop. This is the notebook LM, which is runs in website, which is, do you see this architecture? So this is Claude desktop. This is notebook LM. And I am asking a question. Can you access to notebook LM? What you got response? The got response is you cannot access to notebook LM. Are you guys correct or not? So this is MCP server. This is MCP client. Got my point? And this is called LLM model. So I want to establish a notebook LM MCP to my Claude desktop. So what I'm saying, so notebook MCP, notebook LM MCP, notebook LM MCP, I will install in Claude desktop, then it can access. Shall we try? Shall we try? Are you guys understood now? Everyone you tested right now, do we need to sign in after install? Chinna, yes, yes. So the first thing, yes. So I would say that, where is my note? So here, please open Claude browser, Claude desktop. And when I ask questions to my Claude desktop stating, okay, can you access notebook LM? See what is benefit. Sometimes some of your organizations might notebook LM directly not access, but yes, you can integrate to the code and you can do that, right? And it says not able to access, not able to access. That is why the fourth point, I want to notebook LM MCP integrate to Claude desktop to access LM, notebook LM model, okay, in Claude. So fifth one, shall we try this now? Shall we try this now? Shall we try this now? Like an extensions, yes. Okay, yep. So what I'm gonna do now, this is my Claude desktop. And from the Claude desktop, I'll minimize right now. So till today, what is the things we done, guys? First, I'll introduce what is NotebookLM and theory, just practical live demo we saw, and install Claude desktop. Right now, just what is MCP, model context protocol. It was bridge between LLM models and the tools. All right, so MCP is a wiring system connected between LLM to agents, is all about MCP. If you never heard about MCP before, I'll share you one playlist. Just go and watch it. Very nicely explain all these things in a layman terms. Anybody can understand it. Got my point, guys? So now, so today I wanted to integrate, but to integrate, I will share this document to you. So first we can try this now. But before you try, I just want you to check in Notebook LM, how many in Notebook LM, how many notebook we created, guys? How many notebook we created here? Just go to and open now. When you open, overall, I created 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I correct, guys? How many we created? For you, 2. Yes, I created 2. And you create 4. We can create bunch of notebook like that. Am I correct? We can create a bunch of notebook like that. And I hope you understood how to create it, all of them. That's great. So the second thing is, I want to open a CMD. I will share you one Git link to you, or just you can, I don't want to share this one. First, Windows command or VS Code, open CMD, open CMD. In the CMD, I want you to write this command. First command, Python, okay, Python M pip install UV. I will write this one, Python M, Python module pip install UV in CMD. Yes, open CMD and hit enter. You need to install this. After install this one, see, team, whoever unable to work, please do it later because I can't just take everyone's answer because my topic is to be left. Understood? So if you're unable to do that, maybe after the class you can try. So when you go for CMD, right? Write this code. Python installations going on or not, guys? Copy and paste it. So when you install, you see like this, guys. Do you see I'm writing this one? Python pip install UV. After that, check UV version. After that, check UV versions. So here, if I open my CMD, I will check UV version. So which versions are you guys using? UV 0.11. So UV is very advanced for all those things. You can try this now and let me know how many of them installed. How many of them installed? Team, have you installed, guys? Yes, installed. Great, great. Appreciated. Error, could not install package due to Shiva Kumar. Maybe you do that. Check permissions. No problem. Not installed as Python is not installed. Do later. Okay, so the one who not get it, you can do it later. No problem. After this one, after installations done, after installations, I want to try another library. I will share this document to you. Please write this. The first one, so UV is not an internal external command. So I wanted to install this Ashish Singh Python M pip install UV. So after this, can you try UV tool install notebook LM MCP server? I did it. Okay, then might be you need to fix your path or just try that pip install UV. If you install, then you won't get that error, man. Default to because normal site pack is not written, collecting UV. You need to wait for some time. Successful installing. Okay, restart. Can you close it and open one more time? Can you close it and open one more time? Might be you see that, guys. Okay. Now try this code. So I want to install UV tool, install NotebookLM MCP server. Can you please try this, guys? UV install NotebookLM MCP server. When you see that, the MCP server is able to see it here. Am I correct or not? Are you able to see this, guys? NotebookLM MCP. So this is the file you will be downloading. This is the file you will be download. Let me know how many of them downloaded. Yes, very good, Ajay. Processing. Excellent, excellent. Guys, if you see everyone install MCP in Mac, very less guys used in Windows. So we are doing Windows, as I have most of an Indian learners, most of them use Windows laptop. So taking time, no problem. I'm just waiting for you. I'm just waiting for you. So I told you, because MCP you can, so Windows is very, but still we can work, no worries. It take time. Completed, very good, Ranjit. Who will be installed completed? Great. Appreciated whoever completed, guys. Completed now. Wonderful. Okay, how many of them done? Ashok done. Ranjit done. Okay, what about others? What about others? Oh, others already left. No worries. Can't install using UI instead of. Yeah, you can try that, Ajay. You can try that. Go back to NotebookLM MCP server. You can go to Google and search. Done, done. Getting Python was not found. Maybe do it later, Shivendra. You need to setting up the environment variable, or maybe you need to, or just if not, then can you try pip install UV once and check it? Can you install pip install UV? Great. Are you done, guys, now? After done, I will share one MCP server. Can you, okay, let me, let me copy this code. And can you please copy the MCP server code? Can you please copy the MCP server code, guys? If you can't copy, can you please write? It's just 4 lines here. MCP server code. Please down this. Anyone is done? Or maybe you can try this code, MCP server code, install below extension. Okay. Yeah, sir, how did you generate this MCP generated code? Because you have the every website it has given here. Every website has given here in command. No, you just guys, you just write in your PDF. I mean, you keep this, you can write in any simple document. I will tell you. For example, you open one notepad and write this code, write this code, write this code, guys. Can you please write this code? Okay, I will tell you what you, because this is NotebookLM. MCP, I'll find out in, the anti-gravity I can setting up. Yes. Claude, I don't think so, Shivendra. Can you try that? We cannot copy paste from here. That is what you're saying. You can write. I will share later how to work with this one, guys. Or maybe you ask to Claude or ChatGPT, copy this code. Can you give me? Can you please go to ChatGPT and ask, give me notebook LM MCP? Understood, guys? I think you can't. I think you can't. You can try after and update me. All right. Yeah. Okay, I'm able to copy. Can you please share over there? Kumar, are you able to copy? Very good. Very good. Thank you. Copy that and paste it. I'm just wait, Kumar. Let's wait for everyone. Team, have you done? Team, have you done this? Look at that from, not from here. Windows. Oh, okay. Okay. From Windows, right? Q&A. Thank you. Guys, can you see from window? You can, Avinay has posted here, please. Okay, type answer. I will paste here, send now. I'm sending. Thank you, Avinay. Yes, yes, yes. Team, are you get it now? Wonderful, wonderful. Great. So what I'm going to do, I'll copy this MCP server and open the Claude desktop and just minimize. Open the Claude desktop. This is my Claude desktop. Where to paste? Yeah, listen. Can you please open Claude desktop? Once you done this, open the Claude desktop. From the Claude desktop, go to the file, and go to setting, and then here developer, click on the developer. So we're unable to copy from chat windows. If you're not able to, that's what I told you to write now, guys. Or do you have here the question window you have? You can do that in question window and you try this, guys. Now listen to me, where to paste it. You're right, it's path problem. I will fix it later with your workshop. Yep. So if you see this, if you go to developer, again, I'll tell you where to go, guys. Open a Claude desktop, go to file, click this three dots, file, and here, one second. Wait, the program is, wait for the program to respond. Okay. Come on. Let me Claude open it. Now this is Claude chart. Okay. Then here file and setting, developer, edit config. Do you see Claude desktop config is there? Double click on it. And you paste it here. Do you see NotebookLM? Just paste it here. Just everything, hit enter and paste it. Because I pasted a lot of MCPs. Yes. So guys, if you notice, my admin keep posting the comments to you. If anyone joined for the first time, no worries. This is all advanced classes. I will teach you in the later part. Okay. So I hope you done this. Team, have you got this now? Please answer me. Anybody's done? So where to paste it? Are you able to paste it, guys? Are you able to paste it? Yes, Venkat is done. Who else? Can you help others show one more time? No problem. Just close it. Again, go back to this one, guys. Have you opened Claude Desktop, team? Can you please open Claude Desktop? Go to File, click on Setting. Go to File, click on Setting. Go to File, click on Setting. Understood? Great. And click on Setting. In question and answers, guys, Zoom has question and answers, right? So there you can ask me questions. If you see there's more Q&A. Do you have Q&A? You can ask me. Yeah, able to copy. Great. Now try this. So here, have you opened file, setting, developer, edit config, double click on Claude Desktop. Automatically it will create, double click on it. And you can open VS Code over there and then copy it, paste it here, guys, and Control S save. After save, you can close it now. File, setting, edit config, Claude Desktop config, and save. Exactly, China. Thank you. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here, save it here. Yes, Ashok, what happened? Any question? No? Okay, great. So after that, you can go for save it. After save, no problem. After save, you just go back to the Claude code and again file, back again and file new chart. Go back to the chart and are asking, can you able to see NotebookLM MCP listed here? Now try this. Now execute now. Check it. Yep. Do you see? Yes, I can see NotebookLM listed. Team, are you able to find out? Are you able to find out? Please let me know. Anyone? Excellent. Do you see? Yes, I can see NotebookLM listed. Do you see today we done the NotebookLM MCP is linked to my Claude desktop in Windows machine. Ravi's done. Very good. How many of them completed? How many of them got completed? May I know, please? Copy is not a Suresh. What you need to do? So please ping the setting path. See here, you need to go to more. See, do one thing. Go to more. Do you have question and answers in Zoom? Post in. If you ask a question, I'll post the link. Please ping the setting path. The setting path is very straightforward. Go to file setting. This is the setting file. Go to the Claude. Do you see? This is the Claude file. And go to file here, setting here, and then developer, edit config. Thank you. Developer. Are you anybody is able to set up this, guys? Yes or no? Please answer me. Anybody wants to set up now? I can able to see that. Can you post here? Okay. Wait. I'll go to my file here and let's copy the MCP server. Okay, send. Do one thing. If you're not able to find out, little check, copy that and paste in ChatGPT. Maybe some indentations you wrong. Could be the one issues where you might not do it. And if you try this, you can see that yes, I can see NotebookLM is listed here. So I'm just waiting for another 5 minutes and let me know once you're done. Thank you, Ravi Kumar. You shared. How many of them listed, guys? How many of them has listed now? Only 5. What about others? I know this is little advanced, but still I want you to try this. Okay. So once you do that, if you let me try first, do you see I can see list notebook or I can check list notebooks. I will show the list of notebooks working. My desktop is working. It used Sonnet model. You have one notebook in your NotebookLM library, Langsmith content. But actually I have here how many notebook? If you see my NotebookLM, if you go back to my home page, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 notebook. So this LangChain framework, whatever I think video has created. So now the video has created. Let me check the video quick. Where is the video architecture? Now let's check the video. LangChain video. Great. Now you can play. Do you see this, guys? The video also able to track by this LangChain model. Great. It gives 7 minutes video. So you can get your own videos like that, guys, using help of NotebookLM.
Today, you'd start with deep agents.
No, can you restart and do it again? After you stylish, might be the little error would be there. That's why it could be not. Maybe you can try after the class. Okay, no problem. So if you see Notebook LM, so I can able to see that in my Claude code. Listen, guys, I can able to see in my Claude desktop one notebook added in your library. I want to add another. How to add another? Add notebook, right? Let's copy and I will write this add notebook. So which notebook I want to add? I want to select this URL. Just go to share and I'm going to restrict it, not anyone with the link, copy link, and I will share this URL. Now I'll click that now and I can see that before I add it, I need a few details. What's the name of this notebook? So this name of the notebooks which I added is LangChain framework. The first one is, it is asking LangChain framework. And second, what content, 1 2 sentence. So it is a technical content to build GenAI model, to build GenAI model. What topic it cover? It cover agents and LLMs. What should be, when should I be consultant? I mean, for organizations or anything, guys, organizations. I'm answering to the question which is asking by Claude. I added 4 questions now and then try this. Claude still says, Ajay, maybe you need to do it later because I can't wait for everyone. I shared this server disconnected. So maybe you try after that. So let me tell you, no need to worry because maybe you haven't done, maybe few of them haven't worked on, MCP before. So that is why I will share some MCP video. Okay, please watch it practically. All are practicals. After practicals, please add it in your this one. How did I add? I will tell you. Before that, just wait for some time. Okay, Ajay. Okay, Saros. I mean everyone, Silesh, all the team member. Okay, team. Just see how do integration has done now. So okay, now I can add it. Shall I go ahead? It is adding. Yes, please. Yes, please. Now I can see that working. LangChain framework has been successfully added. Great. Do you see? So how many right now I added? Right now I added this notebook LM, this notebook LM here. This is what my file, and then go back again. And this LangChain framework has been added into my Claude. So what I'm going to do with the Claude after I added, now I can check the, go up and list notebooks. Let's copy. How many notebooks are added now? Tell me, 1 or 2? 2 are added now. You can see that working. 2 is added. Very good, guys. Yes, you have 2 notebook added. Amazing. So I was added yesterday and today. Now from second LangChain framework, can you open mind map? Can you open mind map? Okay, now execute. So I am accessing my all the notebook LM content. I can't direct access mind map with that's visual feature notebook LM, which I cannot control. Ask a questions open LangChain. Would you like to create a visual mind map? No, I don't want to do this. So here, I think there was, or I can say that, let me change the find. Okay. Can you pull framework blueprint? Now you can try, save. So looking at the massive tool level, can I see following are connected? getting like this? Ramu, I can't understand. Sure. Let me update. Do you see this, guys? Now it is pulling out all the informations. So now the mind map is connecting. What is a mind map I open now? Do you see in LangChain, I open the mind map? What is blueprint? This is blueprint, right? This was blueprint. This blueprint, I'm saying my Claude to open. Let's see, I'm accessing. I am getting like this, looking at connected MCP available to, I can see following. No, you can already connect it to MCP, Ramu. You didn't connect it now. NotebookLM MCP was not connected. You have to do it later. Got my point? Yep. Not listed. So because you haven't done not something available in Claude MCP. It is, are you working Windows or Mac? See, maybe the link is error. Whatever MCP link I gave it to you, can you please copy that and paste in your ChatGPT? You get a proper format, copy that and paste it in MCP server extensions. How do you do that? Do you see framework blueprint it is creating now? Okay. I think, would you like to in like LangGraph deep agent memory pattern? No, agent versus chain. Can you pull LangChain framework blueprint? Sure, let me pull out. Can you blueprint from what is the name of let's copy NotebookLM. Now try this. This is the way I want to pull out. Let's try pulling the framework loop directly from your notebook. Exactly. So let's try. Okay, Windows. Yeah, Windows, it will work. For me also Windows. Windows, it will work. Okay, wait for some time. Q&A. Answered. Good. Open. It will take some time because, so team, here has the LangChain framework blueprint, complex blueprint, top to bottom, and LLM models. Okay. So you can, I'm sure I need to get this one. So here, yeah. So maybe I can go back to first one, Langsmith content. Okay. Can you pull the, okay, mind map from Langsmith content, NotebookLM. Okay. Langsmith content. Display the mind map from content notebook. Let's try. Yes. We'll do this. Just wait for some time. So what are the things we done? So we are first we introduced to NotebookLM. We used it and we upload a video, we uploaded documents. And after that, I've installed Claude Desktop. After the Claude Desktop, we connected MCP to there. We connected a Claude NotebookLM MCP to the Claude code, Claude Desktop, sorry. And after that, it is connected now. Okay. So let's see. Let me first mind map content from your, not content actually. Names are wrong here. So that's why it is, go back to this now. And LangChain framework, just I can call it as architecture blueprint. Let's architectural blueprint of LangChain ecosystem. Okay, I'll try this now. Yep. Did you see this, guys? It is getting it or not? Can you please answer me? Can you please see that? Awesome. Can you please see that, guys? Amazing or not? Please see that my screen. Please see that. It has been creating now. It is creating deployment. So now, great. Nice. So Claude is integrated to NotebookLM. That is why you try to get these mind maps. These mind maps has drawn by this one. Awesome, man. You see, wow. So here the Langsmith pulled directly from you. Now read this content. Here's the Langsmith mind map pulled directly from the Langsmith content. It covers all major branches. Excellent. Excellent, guys. I mean to say, I can connected everything. So guys, are you clear? How many of them understood today's workshop? Please answer. How many of them understood? So first project we built that it's not only mind map. You can call anything right now here. So just go back again. And if you see the LangChain framework, I can ask like flashcard, what is the, okay, can you display quizzes as well? So what is the quiz? Let's log into the quiz now. Where is the quiz? This is the quiz. And let me copy. Understood. Very good, Sai. What about others, team? Are you clear? See, this is a very important part where you can integrations company. I just installed it, worked. Very good now, team. So I can say that over here, I'll go back to my Claude and ask also from Langsmith content, from Langsmith, what is the name of the file? Let me check my file here. List of 1 second. Okay. From Langsmith content. Okay. Can you display Langsmith content, NotebookLM MCP, display the quiz. What is the quiz here? Okay, LangChain quiz. Display the LangChain quiz. Now hit enter. Very good, Ashok. Crystal clear. Excellent. So maybe new students, I don't know whether you understand or not, but this is what you can goes back your resume, your NotebookLM can read your resume, and a lot of things it can done. So this is very powerful. Maybe few freshers doesn't understand all those things, but this would be really every companies try to build your own MCP to integrate your all these things comes on advanced agentic AI automation, how these things works. So when you join these things in my previous students, I'm sure you guys are completed already because we already completed this type of sessions long ago in our batches, right? So I want you to work them and then let's understand. So first project ed, as I told you, so this is what is the things we covered today. Notebook LMI covered, Claude Desktop, this part we done. Okay, so this too is pending. So can we do another project? So Notebook LM MCP integrations with Claude Desktop we completed. So what is another project? Notebook LM MCP integration with Cline Agentic AI IDE with Gemini LLMs. So has anyone installed the Cline IDE before? Has anyone installed the Cline IDE before? Cline IDE. Okay. So let's go back. I wanted to direct me to Studio tab for the quiz. Let me ask it, give me the actual quiz question directly so I can display. Do you see it is pulling out? Okay, so if you're not done, maybe, I don't know, you have to learn all the skills, guys. So if you're not done, if you not learn, I want you to learn all of them and things would be much better. All right. So another practical, let's do it now. Sure. Good, Suras. Okay, got all 10 questions, interactive quiz. Now 10 questions it has pulled out. So Claude Code can integrate to my NotebookLM, and NotebookLM, whatever files is there, it is pulling out here. So that is one of the beautiful part. Got my point, guys? So I can build a lot of MCP servers before you can build your custom MCPs. And this is all advanced, but does Notebook create UI as client using MCP database to get data? No, MC Notebook LM has no knowledge, no DB. Understood. It doesn't have memory first, Kumar. Create UI client and MCP connect to. See, Notebook cannot create UI, buddy. Notebook has MCP extension. That extension we added to this one and it create. Got my point? You not understand. You only worry about your interview, your office problems only. Do you see all the 10 questions I'm loading now? I don't know how many of them. See, definitely this is all advanced sessions, guys. And we'll see that. First, I will open the quiz. What is the first quiz? 8 quiz. Let me go back to previous. Oops. Let me go back to previous. Now is the first one, first quiz, previous quiz, and then go up here. Then try this. Great. What Langsmith module specifically designed to? Or maybe can you check? Okay, same questions. You can get somewhere. It would be here, guys. Okay, clear team. So in the context of now, which of the lang chain? Okay. Do you see what function does Langsmith manage complex? All those things we have here. And then score 1. So what is the next one? Got all questions. So everything, this is one of questions, and you can get all the questions like that, guys. Okay, so today the two things we understood now, like we learned the first project one, we worked one is how to integrate Notebook LMMCP to Claude Desktop for Windows machine, for Windows OS. Okay. So next one, I want to do another project. So another project too is how Notebook LM MCP can connect with VS Code plus Cline. Cline is Agentic AI IDEs. Agentic AI IDEs will integrate with Notebook LM MCP and to get all the details. All right, guys, let's try this now. Please do project 2 also in the same session. Yeah, I'll do it now. I'll complete today itself. So here I'll open my VS Code. I'll open the VS Code. All right. In the VS Code, when I open it now, just close this now and click here. So in this click, let me create my open folder. And this is, you just watch it, don't work. I will show you guys. And in here, go back to the desktop. In the desktop, I have to connect my C drive, user, and then admin, VS Code. So here, yes. Let's do now. So in here, go to extension. When you go to extension, team, how many of them completed? Team, how many of them completed project 1? Thank you, ma'am. Anyone is fresher listening now for the first time in this batch? I mean, in this workshop? Okay, no problem. Yes, you are. Great. Thank you, team. Me. Okay. So here, if you go back to the Cline, so in extension, I wanted to write Cline. So Cline is one of the Agentic AI IDEs, which Cline, look at that, it's autonomous coding agent. I want to integrate this Cline. You can install. After install, you can log in this window. This is what your Cline. Let me log into the client. This is what client works like that. Are you guys clear? From the client, what you need to do you see this one MCP button here? Just go back and try to click that and configure. Do you see in the marketplace we have bunch of MCPs are available here? You go to remote server. In the remote server also you can add your own MCP. Company can provide some server name, and I think Kumar, you ask your questions, you can connect your server MCP here. Go to configure. If you go to configure MCP server, when you click configure MCP server, I've been added these MCP server here, guys. NotebookLM, auto approve, all these things has approved, guys. So whatever MCP I given to you, copy that and paste it here. And after paste it, you can see that all MCP server. You can see this three MCP server, I mean two NotebookLM MCP server is added. Team, how many of them understood what I'm saying? Team, how many of them understood? Whatever MCP I given to you, install a client. After install a client, go to this MCP server, go to configure, and then you can sit configure MCP server and then done and close it. Let me know once you're done, guys. After you completed, you can, do you see any LLMs you can find out here? So what I'm gonna do now, I'll click it now, and here you can have free options. In the free options, I'm use Moonshot AI Kimi K2.6 LLMs has been installed over here. And so it has large context window, and the output has given input. This is all, this thing is a free, and it's not free, but you can use it for time being. Done. After done, I can ask, can you access my notebook LM MCP server and notebook LM? Which link? Let me talk about, I ask some content here. LangChain framework architecture. Okay, so here I'll ask this now. Go back to this part. Can you access my notebook LM LangChain framework architecture notebook? Now hit enter. Let's see what it's saying. Insufficient balance. Your client credits balance is okay. So if you try this one, it will work for you. But what I'm gonna do now, I can change the free model. Let's free model and done and retry. You can ask this, guys. It will connect to your MCP. Are you guys clear? Team, did you understood? Client was used to KLM MCP server. Okay, it is connected to MCP server. Now you can try this now. Great. Okay, now I'll ask this LangChain framework notebook MCP server. Can you open it? Now just now I'll task completed. Great. Have you see this, guys? My LangChain framework active. Do you see the MCP link has created? Now I open it now. Great. I can access to my LangChain. Team, are you clear? So I can open my notebook LM MCP from client as well. Guys, are you clear? Guys, are you clear? Please answer me. So you can connect to anywhere else. You can also connect to anti-gravity. So team, how many of them understood today's session? Last one before I go back to you. Entropic has launched a new platform called Claude Design. If you go back to this now, go to Google, and I can go for Claude Design. Understood, guys? Claude Design. Introduced to Claude Design. So if you see, this Claude Design is very powerful for any system design work. You can make it. Introduced to Claude Design by Entropic Labs. This announcement is one of the super. If you have any system design architecture, so it will helpful for you design with Claude and all those things. So what I'm going to do now, this Claude Design will not work in your VS Code or maybe Claude Desktop. You have to go for with web. You are only try Claude. When you try Claude, this is web. I think I opened it now. So do you see Claude Design here? I want you to select it now, Claude Design. So what you need to do, just click on the Claude Design. When you click on Claude Design, so what you get is, let's do that. I'm creating a new project here. Project name as, let's call it a layers, AI layers. All right. Now I create a new project. In the new project, so I want to roadmap. I want to build you can start the sketch also. You can start the sketch. So I can take one sketch here. So if I take the sketch, the first one is, so here, if anybody wants to learn GenAI Agentic AI, I will share the proper roadmap. So this is called foundation. So rather than I can write the sketch. So what I'm going to do, let's close it now. And here, the pipeline, the first step, foundations, the first step, foundations. In the foundations, we have like, okay, Python, basic Python and basic Python. I want to create a design. First step, foundations, basic Python and SQL, stats, EDA, and ML. Okay, this is the first step. And here, second step, I call as machine learning. Okay, you can skip that if you want, but here, or maybe you can use as, and the third step is called AI, artificial intelligence, where you have like NLP, deep learning, neural network, and all those things we have. And the fourth step I called as Gen AI and advanced Gen AI, where we called LLM. Okay. So you have LLM, prompt engineer, transformers, GANs. I just write this one. So how the Claude design works, I'm telling you today, GANs. And the fifth step I can call as agentic AI and multi and advanced agentic AI using single agents and multi agents. We build workflows also. We build agents, workflows, agentic AI workflows. I write some of the roadmap here. Create. Now let's send. When I'm sending here, let's do that. What's going to do? View imaging. Now I just write some text over here to who is audience. Can you see design file? I wanted to design here. Drop files here. Claude. Wait, I'm going to select the files to preview. I think it is going on. Claude had some questions. Doing imaging sketch PNG. I think it's still progressing now. Let's try this. Can you create a nice design from above text? Run walnuts over and wood the oil scratches. Okay, useful info. Just wait, invoking skill writing. It can work with all system design kind of diagrams also, guys. We'll see that. Let's do, okay. Comments and text appears chips in composer remove don't want. AI learning roadmap. Argues attention. So we just something the processing is going on. We'll see that. Just wait. So Claude design has, I mean, it's really insane. We'll work a lot of things in here, but not its timer because so please do project 2 also in the same session. It's already done. So guys, Cline, have you working on Cline? Anyone? Have you working on Cline now? Check. Do you see it is create a very nice layout or not? Do you see this, guys? Team, how many of them understood? Do you see, I just write in Claude design, Claude or separate, it is developed. No, it's Claude only, Sagar. It is Claude only, but look at the design. PDF or standalone file, different color scheme. So are you able to see that I just write a content in Claude design, and Claude design make my file as amazing. So do you see how the next level of generation is working? Team, are you clear? And I can download my file as well. I can download my file and I can say, can you design with a graph structure? Now let's send it. And I think I can I download here? Some option is there. AI layer. Tim, did you like this workshop? Answer me. Isn't it so good, guys? How MCP integration with 2 project? Yes. So I want you to very much, very good, Shivinder. Yes. So lot of practical also we worked. It's not that only theory inside our ID client. Can you have Claude design? No, Claude design is separate, Sai. Of course, sir. Ever good, Ashok. Create real-time system design. Exactly, Ravi. You can also create real-time system design. Okay, just one moment. I can ask another layer. So wait, adding a pyramid. Let's adding an angle now. I think Claude design. Can you try? I think is it working for you? Maybe it. So second project was easy. You go back to the VS Code. Okay, go back to install client. After install client, go to setting. So here, go to the client, go to setting. Again, you can configure your MCP, whatever you have configure MCP, save it. After save it, go back to your chart system and ask it, and then done, and you can write. So it is give me my link as well. Topic. Are you guys clear? Are you guys clear? So you can ask new questions about LangChain framework. So can you display the audio content which created by Notebook LM MCP for LangChain? See, behind the scene, it has lot of stuff because lot of thing I can't finish in one day. So that's what you have to get back to the sessions now. Working, yes, Ravi, it's working as architecture. Man, this is insane. Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. See the diagram here. How we create, can your project code base? Yes. Sai, and if it's your manager is approved. Amazing. Client design. Are you guys clear or not? disconnected. Okay, thank you. Let me share. Okay, guys, you left. Okay, so please do already done this one. And thank you. Your name is, okay, no. So if you see this, guys, where is the design? Claude design. So this is where we stop, right? This is where we stop now. Okay. So the next thing is, so I can ask like, can you provide the Instagram system design, existing system design? Now send. Let's ask my Instagram system design. Yes. Is it asking for payment, Sagar? Yes, yes. True. It is not provide you. I think for the workshop, I just showed it. No worries, but you got some idea, right? So do you know the system design architecture has very high package? So you can build your chief architect, you can build your principal architect, those high positions, these designs are very important. And you know, using design, we can learn a big subjects in less time. Am I correct or not, guys? So I think the script is writing and I need to check my Claude balance because how much balance it has occupied. So I need to check that. Let's do that later, not right now. So writing script. So guys, did you got idea about entropic design as well? So today, the 4 practicals let me explain to you. The first one is notebook LM. That is the first one, isn't it? That is the notebook LM. This is the first one. We see practical on what is notebook LM. Number 1, number 2. Third one, Claude Desktop MCP. Number 3, I'm sorry, Claude Desktop installations. Fourth one, Notebook LM MCP integrations on Claude. Fifth one, Notebook LM MCP integrations with Cline application in VS Code. So, and sixth one is Claude design. And I'm sure in 2.5 hours, don't you think this would be a, I mean, good time you spent on daily basis, guys? Amazing. See that entire verify the system design. It is created the Instagram system design and writing Instagram system design. I hope it's loading this and see it's very powerful. Great. So it is compare now. I think this is AI learning path. This is Instagram system design and other system design, deep dive into it. So amazing, guys, amazing. Am I clear? So AI, so let's copy and I can share this to my, can I have share option? Can I have share options here? Present, full screen, awesome. See this. This is your foundations ML part. In foundations, you have Python, data wrangling, SQL, statistics, EDA part, and then go to second machine learning. I didn't write it. It has created all the system design. And then you have metrics evolutions, isn't it, team? And then we have like, just 1 second. Does the recording is going on? Do you see this now? And then third layer, deep learning. Something new today. Sir, how to send my code bases context to notebook? Book and create audio my code project. See, every time you don't send in only notebook, but you can try other applications for that. Different task you can do for different applications. Are you understood, Sai? Sai, can you tell me 4%, will you ride two-wheeler? Not possible, right? So different task, different tools are there. So you get expert, not immediately. You need some time like that. AI deep learning. and then here LLMs and this agentic AI. Do you see your every part has given here by this one? Okay. Another tab. So if I go back to, let's go back to system design and here present full screen. See this, guys. This is system design, mobile app, web app. A user can use Instagram system design using mobile, you also app. So it is CDN load balancer, if heavy load, to maintain the load balancer, API gateway. So it's search service, user service, feed service, media service, story service. So what you cover in your 6 months long course, everything in data science? No, man, it is not six. Data science won't take 6 months. It will take only 2 months. Understood? So because a lot of ML models is done by agentic AI. Got my point? So Vishnu, do one thing. You can finish everything in 7 days, nobody. Can't you spend 6 months, man? Right? So most experienced people only fooled every day. They want to finish everything in 2 days. You can watch it. YouTube's bunch of Tom Dick Harry videos are there. You can join it now. So Postgres, Cassandra. Do you see how many DBs are used in Postgres, Cassandra, Redis, Object Store, Elasticsearch, Kafka, ML platforms, understood, and monitoring, all these things we have. Team, are you clear? Team, are you clear, guys? Isn't it so amazing, guys? So tell me, Claude design is very powerful or not? Claude design is very powerful or not, guys? Great. So another for last time. So let's continue. Thank you for your time, guys. So today we'll build two projects, NotebookLM as MCP, integrations with Claude Desktop. This part we completed. NotebookLM MCP, integrations with Cline Agentic AI IDE with, you can connect with Gemini LLM or other LLM tools. Also introduced to Claude design introductions. This practical we built, everything we worked in today's session. Are you clear? Are you clear? Also, I'm sharing all those things, not now, because so here you can find all those things and you can connect, scan this QR code for my new upcoming batches, which going from 9 a.m. tomorrow. So these are the live webinar link. I think you can keep receive notes from my ma'am, Lina ma'am. So you can scan the QR code. You can tell your friends. And so if you do not want full stack data science, then advanced Gen Agentic AI, more existing batch you can join to cover that, guys. Pretty clear. So before you join, please check the instructor. Who is he? How much experience? All those things, guys. Got my point, team? Sir, how to, okay, Sai, I hope you clear. So team, are you done? Any questions? So that's it for today. I hope. Do you like the sessions, guys? Answer me. Do you like it? Please answer me. Do you understand today how the market is changed, how it works, how these situations, I mean, lot of things has been upcoming nowadays. So if you not upgraded, can you share training content? Sailesh, can you please scan the QR code or you join the session? It would be shared. Wonderful. This YouTube link, please. This YouTube link. Okay. So dear student, you can open Lens and scan it. Okay. I will share all those things. I'll close my code here. And this is where you can find everything. And then big thanks for your really well done. So thank you, man. So guys, appreciate your love and comments and your likes to spread out to the world. That's it. Understood. So, yep. So here where I found today's video, live video, I think I have to go to check just this one. Thank you for your time, I could say. You spend, so this is what live video now. So just 1 second, I will share it. skip ad. I'll copy and so these are the live videos are here. Pretty clear, team. Okay, yes, please provide admin WhatsApp. Love it, please. Admin, I think admin WhatsApp number already provided. You can see it here. I think you will get it from, let me share the chart. Yeah, this number. You can take down. Lena ma'am number you can. Rajiv, I shared the webinar link. You can attend it, guys. Clear? But this is something awesome. This design is, I have to not able to comment on YouTube live link. No problem. After the finished videos, you can do that. Okay. Or maybe you can give likes. And so I'm sure you like it. And thank you so much for your time, guys. It's been Sunday sessions and appreciated your time. Pretty clear. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Not able to. Okay. So bye, team, and love you all. Maybe we connect on if another workshop I'll schedule, you get to know from my team. So subscribe to Naresh IT Instagram, subscribe to Naresh IT YouTube, and subscribe to NIT, all the channels, all those things. Thanks. Sir, I have one question. I'm not speaks properly. Like my name is Rupendra and I speaks and Rupendra and ऐसे ही some word है तो क्या इस फील्ड में डिस्टर्ब होती है जैसा Oracle and more company gone jobs April 1 से jobs fit. I'm very consuted and before working 100 people and today is 30 ratio and this approach implement every company. Where is the job search sum of? See, let me tell you, in 20 years back, Rupendra, so we drive our, I mean, every day the market is automation going on or not? So how to make these jobs not have the market for projects and company also do micromanagements, how to make. See, everywhere the micromanagement is there, even though in the home only the micromanagement is there, isn't it? So you don't worry about the market. You do your best and just do your work and then keep giving interviews. That's only one thing. So everybody is in problem. I mean, see, AI is not kill everyone jobs. AI kill jobs. AI create jobs, guys. So the employee who never study, so it is problem for them, not for everyone. So you guys no need to worry about anything. Pretty clear. To scalar, see how to make independence in these companies. See, everybody tries to independent, but you need some experience to become independent. Okay, that's it for today. And love you all, guys. So see you. Happy weekend. That's it. We catch up. Might be next week some another workshop. Thank you. Love you all, guys. Bye. Amazing class. Thank you, ma'am. So guys, I think